everyone, Jaymes Mansfield here bringing you yet another video. Oh my god, you guys, it's time for another installment of Drag Me to the Past! Yes, we're doing Drag Me to the Past, the boy with brushes. Yes, not to be confused with the girl with the pearl earring. No, this is the boy with brushes, alright? So, back in the old maiden times of YouTube, there were Misty Eyes, Misty Maven, Blanche Babcock, and yet another smaller YouTube creator was also on the scene, and that was the boy with brushes, pioneering the concept of taking popular drag queen makeup and recreating it, but also giving you digestible tutorials, and I do mean digestible. After Blanche Babcock last week, that almost an hour-long video, this one's only about 10 minutes. Because I needed a break. That other one was too long. I had a birthday finishing that tutorial, okay? So let's get started and do the boy with brushes. Now, they actually commented on my Misty Eyes video a few weeks ago mentioning I should do their tutorial. And I'm not gonna lie to you, I remember hearing their name in passing and being mentioned in other like drag YouTube videos, but I never actually really checked out their channel. So it's my first time. It's a raw viewing of this. So let's see what I was missing out on, all right? We're gonna do the boy with brushes. All right, let's hit play, shall we? Oh wow, they had a WoW Presents Spotlight. Good for them. Okay. All right, this is actually 12 years ago in the past. So let's see what drag was like 12 years ago.
Hey guys, I know I haven't filmed a video in like a long time.
Okay. First things first, we have to talk about this hostage lighting that she has. I love a bathroom queen, all right? I love a queen that set up a camera in their bathroom and filmed. Like, this is horrendous lighting. Oh my god. Yeah, like, who's on the other side of this camera, girl? I have to know. All right, who's making you make this video?
Every single time I do this, but I know I haven't really filmed like a makeup video in a long time. So I just sat down and decided to film this video for you guys. Also,
I love starting a video like this. This is such an old YouTube thing. Like, hey, you guys, I know I've been gone for a while, but I'm back now. I hope you guys don't mind. I didn't upload for like 3 months. I like this thing that I only ever did that every time I was on Drag Race. And then y'all just were nice enough to act like, you know, I was always there, which I appreciate. But I miss that. I wish more YouTubers would do that. It's like, sorry guys, I know I've been gone. Don't be mad. Let's do our makeup, shall we? Yeah, all right, let's keep going. Because I think it's only a little bit of an intro. The rest is all just silence.
Kind of like a promotional thing. I'm currently in an Instagram contest hosted by WIGS by CC. All you have to do to vote for me is just go to their Instagram, which is at WIGS by CC1, and then...
Oh. An online contest. An online drag competition. Oh my god. I just had a flood of memories unlocked right now. Core memories. Do you guys remember this? I'm old enough to remember this. The olden days of YouTube and Facebook and like Instagram. Like, people used to have online competitions with like baby queens. I remember, I think it was Cece LaRouge that would have like an online competition on Facebook. And if you won, I can't remember what the prize was because I never entered it. But it was like a thing, like all the drag groups on Facebook. Yes, there were drag groups on Facebook. Like baby queens would get together and like they'd all vote and then they'd win something. I never partook because, as you know about me, I'm not a joiner. But that just like flooded right back to me. Wow. Well, I hope she won.
I have like 120 something votes, which is a lot compared to some of the later ones, but some of the earlier entries have a lot, and some of them queens have like a lot of like friends and stuff, so it's like they got hella more.
You better call out the Never Baby drag queens, all right? You better call them out, and they're doctoring their votes. It's like All Stars 1 all over again.
How did you get that many votes, Mimi? Huh?
Do you guys remember that Facebook contest they were having for All Stars 1? Like, we had to go on Facebook and literally vote for the queens you wanted there. And, like, at first, I think it was, like, Raven, Sharon, and I think Shangela. And then, all of a sudden, like, 2 days later, Mimi I'm First was, like, number 3rd. Oh, the scandalous times.
It's just a popularity contest, basically. So if you guys would like to support me, and I would really appreciate it, just go, I'll have the link, like, straight to it. There's hella entries for it. Like,
okay, I'll vote. Just get to the tutorial.
Or you can just go to @WIGS by CC1 and then scroll down until you see my picture.
I wonder if WIGS by CC is still around. I'm gonna Google quick. Let's go on Instagram and see. Side quest. Okay, let's see. WIGS by CC. Let's see what they were competing for. Okay, maybe not. The last time they posted was 2014. And it looks like they were competing for a red lace front wig. So that's cool. You know, Again, it was different times, all right? Wigs were scarce. They were rare, all right? If you got a lace front wig back in 12 years ago, it was like you were holding gold, all right?
5 minutes later.
And I hope you vote for me.
I wonder if she won. Honey, if you watch this, let me know if you won. Did you win the contest? If you didn't win, who did? All right, who beat you?
I'm trying to get back here more often, doing videos and stuff, not just...
She's already starting off on a bad foot with us because, like, not only do you want us to vote for you, but you haven't uploaded in so long. Okay. So you vanished and now you want a favor. Let's start the tutorial.
See you guys soon. Bye.
Ooh. Ooh, no. This does not sound like public domain music, so we're going to mute the music a little bit. She was trying to get me caught. That's what she was trying to do, boy with brushes. She's like, I'm gonna get this bitch. My Slater song, get her a copyright strike. All right, 2 minutes and 16 minutes, she starts the tutorial. So let's go. We have brows blocked, and she's putting down what looks like a base foundation. But we're gonna start with blocking the brows first. So I'll be right back. We're gonna block our brows. Okay, so she is just caking on pan stick foundation. So let's start that right now. It's just foundation right here so far. So let's try that out. Okay, mutton chops, love that. It's like I'm back in the 70s. Color correct, okay. Ding, 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 you guys. The first color correct we have in one of these videos. All right, it's a new day. It's time to color correct. Let's do it. She's doing it with her fingers, so I'm gonna do the same thing. Nature's brush. Every one of these videos so far, my beard has been peeking through so severely. More foundation. So far, it's pretty normal. It's pretty similar to my routine. She does her foundation first, just like me. A lot of these other queens have been doing their like eyes first, which I just think is the most bizarre thing in the world. Which I guess shouldn't be that bizarre because I guess you'll catch fallout that way. I just like to live dangerously, I guess. Okay, highlight. Maybe I'm just wasteful because I'm used to just putting on a solid foundation all over and then doing highlight later. So maybe I'm just wasteful when it comes to cosmetics. Okay, that's different. I think I've done it that way before. Okay, I definitely recall these kind of faces where like the girls would contour and highlight their face to look like a sugar skull, ready for the Day of the Dead. This is kind of cute. Oh God, that nose contour again. Queens of 12 years ago, I have to know, what was it with this nose contour? Like, why do we all just like one long strip down the nose? Like, what is that? I hate this nose so much. Okay, we're just smearing on contour. Let's do it. It does like a little sliver right here. So far, so good. I mean, it's kind of giving the 1980s like makeup guides. Like, I feel like I'm doing Color Me Beautiful right now. But I'm not mad at it so far. It's pretty normal. I'm wondering when we're going to cover the brows. We're blending early. Okay. Okay, I'm not going to lie. I'm not loving the effect this contour is giving me right now. It's not my favorite. I definitely feel very gaunt. Like, I kind of have a Ozempic face right now. Yeah, it's like blue steel. I feel like Zoolander right now. Let's page through. So far, we're only about 3 minutes in, so I think brow coverage should happen anytime now. Wait, what is happening? It's so dark, I can't tell if it's contour or foundation. Oh. I might have done contour early. See, this is why I like captions. This is why I love it when they put up, like, title cards. Blanche Babcock, I apologize. The title cards were helpful. Well, I don't have to worry about contour now. We're just gonna fill in the blanks. All right, there we go. Would you look at that? I've made a mess. All right, I'm gonna try and blend this contour back in. What else is next? Oh, we're putting on more contour? Okay. We're really hollowing out the face. So she's doing a contour here some more. So it's like that. And then from the eye all the way to this. We're really hollowing the face out. God damn. I wonder, where was the boy with brushes based? Like, what drag scene were they in? What city? You guys know? Oof, that is a lot of contour. Girl, I'm gonna get a carpal tunnel doing this. Like Slender Man. It looks like I got done like climbing through a tunnel. Like I just dug a hole out of prison. Like it's the end of Shawshank Redemption right now. I look like a coal miner. I'm just gonna keep watching and see where this goes. More highlight, okay. I'm trusting the process. We are trusting the process. It's like someone pinched my face. Yeah, this beauty blender is cooked, mama. Yeah, I look like I survived like a house fire so far. All right, she's putting more highlight on with the finger. We're gonna powder this anytime soon. Chin and under here as well. That's a dainty little touch under the chin and like jawline. Under here, what is with that? Why did we all love to highlight there? Because like we're doing all this work to make it look small here. Why are we adding like whiffed here? I feel feel like I'm finger painting right now. This is like children's finger painting. I'm living in the shadows of someone else's dream. I feel wet. I feel very, very wet. That's how I feel right now. Very moist. All right, what are we doing? Okay, highlight powder. Okay, good. Some instruction would be nice. She's putting powder over her highlights, which I like, but that means she's probably gonna put powder back over her contours. And Mama, we have enough. Setting powder. Oh, lovely. Love it. Okay, thank goodness. We had to wait, but we got to it. All right, I'm gonna use my Kimchi Puff Puff Pass powder. If you wanna save some money at Kimchi Chic Beauty, be sure and use my code right here. You'll get 10% off your purchase. So yeah. Be sure and do that. Okay, it's fun. The kids all love it. It's fun. Oh my God, setting powder. I've never been so happy to use setting powder, y'all. I'm so excited right now.
Yeah, Jackie Collins face.
Lucky bitches. I do look like Jackie Collins. It's kind of giving like the Lifetime movie, like the peak 80s ones, where they all had the old age makeup on. Like, I love that kind of Morgan Fairchild kind of makeup. You know, that set of actresses where it's all the makeup that does it for these chicks. Oh, she's using a pad for it. Okay, well, I got a pad for it, so let's do that. All right. I'm padded, and then we blend that again. Girl, where do you think this highlight's going? It's there. Nose. I've re-highlighted so many times already. Where does she think it's going? Just leave it there. Let it cook on your face, girly. The moment's happening, kids. The one I was afraid of. Gotta add more contour powder. You know what's kind of giving me? It's kind of giving me like Fifi O'Hara season 4 makeup, where it's just like telenovela heavy, like Chicago pageant drag makeup, like black lip liner. All right. And then yes, we blend this too. You can blend at the end. Just saying. You don't have to do it every single time. We're starting the eyes and half of it's off screen. So brown right here, from what I can tell, because most of it was hidden. This I recognize. I used to do this quite a bit. All right, I'm getting excited. We're starting to go into the eye makeup. I have to consult NASA. This is a giant ass crease. So far what I know is like she'll put something down and immediately has to blend it. I mean, I guess the eye, I appreciate it. It gets me in that habit of just blending my eye makeup more and more. But the face, we could have let them sit for a little bit. You know, contour and highlight, they're friends. All right, let them hang out. Just put it down once and let them chill. Talk to them in like, 45 minutes and you're done with the rest of your face. Okay, yeah, brown underneath and then, whoa. Okay, that was a jump. Okay, so we do brown under here as well and then we fill that in with eyeliner. We gotta do eyeliner from here all the way around. So round eyeliner going through. So let's hope I don't mess this up. One side down. I'm feeling pretty good about myself. My confidence isn't completely shaken, but I feel like I'm like white knuckling on this table, just like. Second one, not so great, but we're just gonna live with it, okay? I don't have a wonky crease. I don't give a shit. Let's keep going. Okay, she did eyeliner from here to here. So let's fill that in with black. All right. Okay, so far, this is very like drag makeup I would have seen in Chicago. Like, was Boy With Brushes a Chicago queen? Because a lot of queens in Chicago love this kind of makeup. And again, this kind of like eyeliner terrifies me because I always get like a crease right here on the eyelid. But I definitely remember this makeup. I knew a lot of queens that had this. From like Trixie to Pearl to Kimchi, Shea Coulee. This is like a lot of their early faces. That like Chicago Neverland scene. I tell you, you go some places, some little pockets, you'll still see faces like this. A lot of this is still like ingrained in like the culture of drag makeup. Okay, we're going into the crease as well. Okay, let's do it. We're gonna do it. Yeah, so far this is not too crazy because I still see quite a few queens today that do their makeup like this. Okay, glitter shadow here, here, and in the crease. I kind of want to clean it up though because it's a little muddy. Whatever, we're gonna do it. I'm doing what she does it. Here's what we do. All right, I'm going to grab a little brush like so. Whew, okay. From a distance, I'm not mad at it. What about brows? Let's put some brows on. Wow, those are thin. Okay. We're going full closet goth right now. So let's do the brow. She said, we're going to have a little thin ass Pamela Anderson eyebrow and you're just going to have a deal, honey. It's almost like a cartoon brow. They're so tiny. They are cracking me up with these little eyebrows. Oh, okay. So we're just doing black lips. All right. I don't think I have black lipstick. We're going to have to improvise. I'm going to have to use eyeliner. How does she do them? Is she doing big? Is she overdraw, or is it just to her actual lip? Oh, it's to the actual lip. All right. I have to call you out a little bit, boy with brushes. This is a lot. This right here is very dramatic. Why did we choose to be understated on the lips? Why is it when you came to your lips, you're like, no, now I should hold back? I hate it. Okay. We bind you, Nancy. And is that it? Are we done? All right, use the kimchi glitter right here. Okay, wait, when are we doing blush? Is there no blush in this? I just got a cameo request. No. All right, so I think we're at the end of the look because she's putting her wig on now. So I am going to throw on some eyelashes and we'll be right back with our final thoughts. Be right back. Welcome back. This is the final result. There's certain things about this I like and certain things I don't like. Let's just do that right now, okay? Let's discuss the things that we do like. I think the eye makeup still holds up. A lot of queens still do their eye makeup like this. It makes me wonder, like, I bet you a lot of queens probably learned how to do their makeup from her. Because, like, it is one of those things, like, one of those eyes you still see everywhere in drag. These eyebrows are a bit suspicious. They're a bit sus, as the kids say. They're quite thin. Like, I went from, you know, a very glamorous drag eye to feeling like I'm working a closing shift at Hot Topic, especially with these small ass lips. I've known many a girl that couldn't give an upper lip that worked at Hot Topic. This is that manager that's going to roll her eyes so hard when you ask to grab a shirt from the wall. Yeah, I hate the lips. I've never felt more like a gothic Reba McEntire. Oh my God, now I kind of want to see that. Like Reba doing her goth phase. I hate the thin lips, and the black lipstick is just making them look a lot smaller. But I do like the effect it gets. It's like my tongue looks so pink. This contour situation, I could have achieved this with fewer steps, is all I'm saying. Now, I have to fix something here. I have to change these lips right now, okay? Like, these are criminal. I have to make them a little bit bigger. There you are. The miracles of overdrawing. Now I don't mind it. Okay, now this is actually kind of cute. Also, right here, this is bothering me too. I'm sorry, eyeshadow is not enough. And last but certainly not least, any of you queens that still do this nose, retire now, okay? We do not need this nose in the universe anymore. Erase it. It does no favors for anyone, all right? It just makes your nose look bigger. Yeah, other than that, I feel like I'm pretty pleased with the look. I think that, like, makeup overall holds up pretty good as far as, like, drag techniques are concerned. Queens still do this. But the biggest mystery of all, and maybe I missed it, I still haven't solved the mystery of whether or not she had blush on or not. Did blush ever come into the conversation? Is the blush in the room with us? Now I have to take a moment for my wiglets. Roll it!
Thank you, Wiglets. You are the lights of my life. You are the center of my universe. I would be nothing without your love. So thank you for being a member of my club. Hey, that kind of rhymed. Thank you, Wiglets. Especially my mods. Thank you, Wiglets. And the ones who always tip. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Wiglets. And here's to our community spotlight. Look at them saying wonderful comments about me. Thank you so much, community. Oh my goodness, this has been a lot of fun. Like I said, a little easier than last week. Last week was a chore. But other than that, I'm excited for our next Drag Me to the Past. Now, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And until next time, I'll see you all in the live streams. Bye. Now hit the outro.
Click here and watch my last Drag Me to the Past of Blanche Babcock. Or watch my latest YouTube video. Come on, click it, you know you want to. If you don't click it, I'll make you watch actual hockey and not heated rivalry. So click it.
Here we go.